Microsoft Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management Functional Consultant Expert MB-335 exam dumps are available for you to test all the related skills. Share some Microsoft MB-335 exam dumps questions here. 1. You are using the Manufacturing Execution module in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. License plate labels must be printed for products in the report as finished step. You need to use the manufacturing execution functionality that meets this requirement. What should you use? A. License plates. B. Job card device. C. Operations schedules. D. Production waves. 2. You use the Master Planning module for Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Planned production orders have been created. Several sales orders are cancelled in response to concerns about recent online reviews of a product. You need to enable the appropriate action message. Which action message should you enable? A. Increase. B. Postpone. C. Decrease. D. Derived actions. E. Advance. 3. You are a production manager at a company which produces large batches of coffee and creamers. After a quality inspection, batch 120,008 of your cold brew coffee, item number CB0001, was found to be too acidic and must be reworked. You need to add 20 grams of sugar and stir the product for an additional 0 hours. What 3 actions are required on the rework order? Each correct answer presents pan of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Manually reserve batch 120,008 after estimating the batch order. B. Add a root operation for 0.5 runtime hours of stirring. C. Add 20 grams of sugar to the production formula. D. Delete all items from the production formula except for 20 grams of sugar. E. Delete all root operations except for a half-an-hour stirring operation. 4. A beverage company uses Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management batch processing for production. You need to identify the ingredient type used in batch processing when the base attribute of a product is added to a formula line. What is the ingredient type? A. Active. B. Compensating. C. Filler. D. None. 5. A company manufactures high-performance bicycles. The bicycles come in several different pre-configured models. Customers can also purchase custom configurations. Several add-ons are dependent on other accessories in order to be installed. You need to set up the system to handle the different product configurations. What should you do? A. Create an expression constraint. B. Create a phantom BOM. C. Create a co-product. D. Create a batch version. 6. A company produces pipe at certain fixed lengths. The company must be able to schedule cutting machines. You set up the cutting machines as resources. Cutting resources can produce many of the products. There are some products that require cutting machines that can produce longer lengths of product. Only some of the machines can do this. You need to configure the resources to account for these different products. What should you do? A. Build capability related to length and assign to the appropriate resources. B. Configure the data, hour option on the capacity unit field on the resource. C. Create a resource for each length. D. Create a resource group for each length. 7. A company produces paints and assembles bicycle frames. You must account for paint drying time before assembly operations can begin. You need to set up the operation to encompass queue times. Which two options can you use? Each correct answer presents pad of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Build capabilities for each resource related to color. B. Enter a value in the queue time after field for the painting operation. C. Enter a value in the transit time on the painting operation. D. Make a resource group for each size and color and assign that group to the operation. E. Enter a value in the queue time before field for the assembly operation. 8. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The marketing group needs to be able to view a manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, for a new bill of materials, BOM, item when the cost of the BOM item is calculated. You need to configure the functionality. What should you do? A. Set the sales price model field on the calculation group to item sales price. B. Use the category price rules to generate a trade agreement with the sales price. C. Add a profit setting percentage to a calculation group. D. Add a profit setting percentage to the released BOM product. E. Add a profit setting percentage to a cost group. 9. A manufacturer is implementing Dynamics 365 supply chain management with warehouse management processes, WMS. Warehouse workers use handheld devices to pick and stage batch-tracked products for production. The warehouse manager requires that products are removed from on-hand inventory and consumed when they are picked and staged for production. You need to remove the products from on-hand inventory. What should you configure? A. Mobile device menu item. Start production order. B. Flushing principle. Available AL location. C. Flushing principle. Start. D. Manufacturing execution. Job card device. 10. You are the production supervisor in charge of setting effective cost prices for the labor force in a manufacturing company. It is the end of the year and the labor rates have been recalculated based on new salary data. You need to update the effective labor costs for all labor groups. Which element must be updated? A. Cost groups. B. Cost category. C. Resource group. D. Shared category. E. Production orders.